Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use Clipchamp video editor of Microsoft. Creating videos in Clipchamp is quick and easy. Whether you're starting from a file on your PC or directly inside the app, here's a full step-by-step guide. Firstly, there are several ways to begin a new project. From File Explorer, right-click on a media file and select Edit with Clipchamp. Or from the app, Photos, click Create a Video, or from the app or browser, open Clipchamp and on the home screen, click Create a New Video. Now, before editing, you'll need to import your media. You can drag and drop files from your computer directly into the Media tab. Click Import Media and Browse Files, or click the arrow icon to import media from integrations like OneDrive, Google Drive, etc. Now once your media is uploaded, click the green plus button or drag and drop your media files onto the timeline. To add multiple files, just repeat this step or drag them all at once. Clipchamp offers easy beginner-friendly editing tools like trim in, split, delete, or zoom. Use the floating toolbar or property panel to customize your video. You can crop it, fill, rotate, or flip via the floating toolbar in the preview window, or you can add fades, filters, and effects in the property panel. Now go to the content library and choose the audio category. Browse and select your desired track and drag it onto the timeline or click the plus button to add it to your project. Once done editing, preview your video and click Export in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and save location. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Well, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.